Hey, Seth Miranda here from Adorama TV, and I'm jumping on here really quickly to tell you about the new firmware update to the Z90 and NX80 Sony Camcorder, which now allows for live streaming in body. You can do this via Wi-Fi or Ethernet with a multi-port adapter. So we're going to set the Wi-Fi in the camera first, then we're going to set up a YouTube event, and I'll show you how to do the stream itself. So let's go set the Wi-Fi in the camera body itself. Okay, so let's set the Wi-Fi in the camcorder, and to do that, we're going to hit Menu, and then we're just going to scroll down until we see the Wi-Fi icon. We're going to select that. And then we're just going to scroll down until it says Wi-Fi set, which is right here. And you're going to go to access point set. And what this is going to do is search around for the available Wi-Fi in the area. Of course, we have our own Wi-Fi, so we're going to grab that one. But it's going to give you a bunch of options. So let's grab the one that we know that we set up. And now it's going to ask for the password. If I hit select, now this becomes a touch screen. So I can very simply just use this to enter my password without having to scroll through a bunch of buttons a billion times. Okay, so I'm going to go over to YouTube to set up our live streaming event. So go to your YouTube studio, go to the live streaming panel right here, and instead of hitting stream now, I'm just going to set an event so I can actually set it up and then go live when I want to go live. So over here on the right, we have new live event. We click that right there. I'm just going to quickly set something up as like a quick test, and we'll set this up for like 5 p.m. And this is all filled in great. Make it private just because I'm setting this up as an example. Gonna hit create event. Now when I create the event, what we're gonna look for is the RTMP and the stream key to put into the Z90. And over here on this page, we're gonna go over to single use stream key or reusable stream key. The single use is just for this one stream, and that's what I usually use. Reusable stream key is in case you wanna constantly use the same stream key to just continue doing a live stream using the same address to get it to. So let's do single use stream key. And as you can see down here, we have exactly what we're looking for, our stream name and our RTMP. So now we just have to copy this into the Z90. So let's go take a look over there. So now that I have my RTMP and my stream key name, I'm going to go basically to the same place. Going to go to menu, going to go to the Wi-Fi symbol, and then I'm just going to scroll down to RTMP, and I'm going to go to select a preset, and we're going to do 1280 by 720, and then set destination. Once we set the destination, it's going to ask me RTMP, and it already has YouTube in there, but I have to give it a different stream key, and the one that I have on the screen right now is what I'm gonna have to enter in here. And again, we have a touch screen, so we're just gonna go ahead and enter in our stream key, our single use stream key. Now the thing about this is if you don't want to go through this process over and over again, you can have a reusable stream key from the same interface, and that way it's in the camera and you just use the same stream key. But keep in mind, if someone else gets that same stream key, they can stream on your channel. So be aware, don't give that stream key to anyone else. So now we hit OK, we're gonna get out of this menu. So we just put in our stream key, we're set to go, so we're gonna hit execute. Once you hit execute, we're gonna select Wi-Fi, but you could use an Ethernet cable with an adapter to the multi-port. And now it's going to set this all up, it's getting prepared, we're ready to go. And once this is all settled, we're going to have the option to start the stream, and we're gonna send the information over to YouTube. So now if you can see down here in the blue, it says menu to end, thumbnail to start stream. Right here's the thumbnail button, I'm gonna press that. I'm going to push this back, and you can see now it just says stream end. When we go over to YouTube itself, we go to our live control room, and you can see right here we have the preview button able to be pressed. We're going to wait for the stream status to come up really quick though. It says good health. We're going to hit preview stream. I'm going to hit OK. And then once this is settling in, we can take a view of what we're streaming from the preview. This isn't live yet. This is just a preview, giving you a chance to get set up before you go live. And you can see that we have a connection. So that's pretty convenient, right? There was no piece that we needed to as a go between the camera to the interface. You went right from the camera body to the platform. So if you're interested in this camera, this might be a feature that you want to look at. If you already own this camera, keep in mind that this is a firmware that will give you this ability to do so. And I'll see you guys next time.